Yo. Okay, so we're back in it. Now let's play with the square. Let's do some little four-dimensional FM. Yeah, I like that's crazy. Again, with saw. But try a triangle on that saw. Triangle on that triangle. You see what it makes. Now, when you kill that, triangle makes this shape. Okay? It is like the triangle infinity symbol. Okay? Now, when we go to sine, it makes the straight up infinity symbol. When you mix it with triangle, that's what you get. You mix that with saw, that's what you get, a bow tie. We're going to get to the interesting stuff here in a sec, though. Square, as it circles. See that? It's crazy. So let's make some shapes, some crazy stuff. We're going to go right up to phase chipset, and we'll shut it down quick because I need to get some other stuff on this box. There's been a lot of testing. It's been grueling. A lot of R&D, also grueling. Okay. So phase chipset. Spin it up there. We'll make sure it matches on 8 foot. And we'll phase it out. That means 0 over 127. So you can't hear anything hardly. Phase oscillation. Phase cancellation. We'll bring it in. Oops. You guys get the gist of what's going on. Let's go back to XY mode. Let's add in FM. When you add in FM, it becomes quite apparent what's going on. Could zoom it in a little bit more. Maybe you can see. It's quite the fame to find. Now, if you want to get some extra movement, since it's panned left, you take LFO1 and you pan it hard, or since it's panned, panned left, you want to pan it hard right. So plus 63. We'll go up to or down to filter 2. Since it's panned hard right, you take LFO1, you pan it hard left. And then you take LFO1, you said that's the sine. Right? A couple cycles, maybe a cycle and a half. So that's like 12. A couple cycles would be 15. Actually, 11 would be a cycle and a half. 15's 2. Let's move it back a little bit. Trim that image. I think that might be too much. Focus is on that right. You see what I mean? easy imaging. Really cool stuff. Now, if you want to change the frequency, yeah, it still moves it around a bit. Monotonous tone. But as you see the image, removable LFO, glitch it out. It's crazy. You see it shaping. But see, FM, that's another thing we need to talk about. FM, you don't always need so much. Sometimes just a gradual amount, just like a sparing amount, 23, 24-ish, around there, max. And that's all you need to blend stuff. You don't need extreme amounts of FM to do phase and all that. It starts to happen once you start to add it in. Extreme amounts are for people who want to be that way. Okay? So we're going to jump right back on with some other stuff. I just wanted to show you guys 3 and 4 dimensional, like sound imaging, because like, okay, you have to pan it. And when you pan it, look, if you take the panning off, watch what happens. As I start to turn the panning to the right, it just stays at this direction. You see? As I turn panning back to the left, it goes up. Sound is definitely 3 and 4 dimensional. They say it doesn't exist in the fourth, but I don't know, man. If God said let there be light, then light came after that. I think sound to a visual transient, laser-like response. Analog, it don't lag. I'll be right back.